Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Adobe After Effects text presets for motion titles step by step clearly. Open Adobe After Effects and create a new project. In the project panel, navigate to the top left corner and click on Composition. Select New Composition from the drop-down menu. Set your desired resolution, frame rate, and duration, then click OK. With your composition open, go to the Effects and Presets panel. If you don't see this panel, go to Window in the top menu and select Effects and Presets. In the Effects and Presets panel, type Text Presets in the search bar. Expand the text category to view the available text presets. Choose a text preset that you would like to use for your motion title. With your composition selected, use the Type tool to create a new text layer. Type your desired title into the text layer. Now, select the text layer in the timeline. Drag the chosen text preset from the Effects and Presets panel onto the text layer. You will see the preset applied to your text in the Composition panel. To adjust the preset settings, click on the text layer to access the Effect Controls panel. Experiment with different parameters to customize the motion title to your liking. Preview your animation by pressing the spacebar. Make any final adjustments as necessary. Once satisfied, save your project by navigating to File and selecting Save As. Your motion title with the text preset is now ready for use in your composition. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.